And there we are, everything installed as it should be, and everything working on 64-bit. And this is WDS over the file server. The last thing to do here now is to activate your Windows activation. It's Service Pack 1, 64-bit operating system. So everything is as it should be, and that's fine. As you can see, activation was successful. Close. The last thing we can do, we've got the network drivers, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to just update the driver here. So if I go into my computer, the best way to do it is go into the SW setup that we had initially, and if you can see something called drivers, you can see graphics, Intel, and do install. I think there's one called setup in here, so do that one. And there you go, next, yes, and then we'll just install the driver for you. Okay, as you can see, the screen has been adjusted as it should be.